Hippie-Biker here. It's a rainy day, so we thought we'd come and visit Rock City Harley-Davidson. Let's go check her out. See what new models they got in and such. So stomping grounds here.
How are you?
Going pretty well.
Famous? Right, you making us famous?
Yeah, of course. How many new 2024s you got in?
A lot. Yeah, not all
I
we got some.
Look at them.
Yeah, come on in, man. Enjoy yourself. Welcome to Rock City.
Oh, this is really, really beautiful. It's that 25th anniversary of the CVO. Look at those colors.
Say something. Yeah, say something. Be like, sure.
And over here and check out $3,000 gift card if you buy this one. Oh, look at the color of that. It's really beautiful, isn't it? Nice, beautiful street line. And this one's got a $3,000 gift card to it too. Nice, beautiful red line. That 120th anniversary. Another. Look at this, they're branding them more. Especially on this 120th anniversary. It's got a number too. Look at that. Yeah. Really love that late 60s badging. We started. How far will you take it?
So you got
And rolling use the original Jesse James American Outlaw Bourbon Whiskey. This one's got a $3,000 gift card attached to it too. And a lot of CVOs in here. This one's only $19,999. It's really strange to see prices on some of these things. I did look at that, didn't I? It's got the 114. Beautiful. And we're going to slowly walk down and look at the models. Looks like they overstocked on the 120th anniversary models. And these gift cards they're giving out. Yeah. Some of these paint jobs are really, really nice. This enthusiast collection, huh? These white racing stripes, reminiscent of Fords. And new for 2024. All new 2024 Street Glide, name, icon, reborn. Where is it at? Huh? Feel the difference. All new road glide. This ain't right like that. This has got $1,000 gift card. The used machinery down here. Anything of interest? Obviously, I don't know. That ain't used. Good morning. I need the fluids for an oil change. For a 2001 FXDWG.
Do you just need the fluids, or do you need everything?
I need everything I need to do, change in the oil. You know, the filter, oil.
Okay. Do you want chrome or black?
Black.
Black. Are you wanting Sin 3, or are you just wanting the...
Just a normal oil, because that's what I've been using all along, and there's no sense changing that. How you doing?
I'm doing great, man. What are you doing?
Huh?
You filming?
Yeah, but I'm also getting stuff to do an oil change. Ooh, new fancy. It's an orange and black instead of just the black, the primary.
And are you wanting the O-ring for that, or like the O-ring for it as well? For the
Probably.
plug? Okay. I'll be right back. Alright, let me get that beautiful autograph right here. And your receipt is in your bag.
Well, I got everything I needed to do an oil change. Well, Harley, they changing the color of their oil containers. But I think I got everything I need. But we'll see. Take this home, and the next day or so, we're going to change oil on the Dyna. Anyways, Hippie-Biker here. Till the next time. Bye-bye.